Hi everyone, my name is Navmi and today we will talk about ginger essential oil of Vedas cure. Made from the fresh rhizomes of ginger, the ginger essential oil has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for a long time. Aroma of ginger essential oil is much more pungent and stronger than turmeric essential oil. Our pure ginger essential oil is good for skin because it keeps it protected from bacteria, fungi and other types of microbes. It also expedites the wound healing process by preventing the further growth of infection. It will provide instant relief from joint pain and muscle stiffness due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It proves to be an excellent remedy to fight against cough and cold symptoms. It also fades scars and dark spots to some extent to give your face that spotless look. It is also healthy and ideal for the overall maintenance of your hair. So, don't wait much. Get a free consultation from our health expert and place your order now.